Huel Instant Meal Cups, a time-saving solution or a waste of your money? Keep watching until the end to find out if you should buy them and my thoughts on it as a registered nutritionist. So what exactly are Huel Instant Meal Cups? Well, they are sold as on-the-go meals and come in various flavours, such as Korean barbecue noodles, chicken Alfredo pasta, and spicy gochujang noodles. It's like a culinary world tour without leaving your office chair, with some people liking the flavours.
That's really good. Definitely a bit spicy. Not too spicy, to be honest. Then again, I'm obsessed with spicy food, so it depends upon the person.
And some people not so much. Someone left the following comment on Reddit. Personally, I tried all three flavours and could only stand the chicken Alfredo, but generally it was not palatable, and I'm in touch with customer service about return options. The smell of the instant cup meals has also received some mixed reviews, with some people liking it.
I'm not gonna lie, it smells pretty good. It does smell a bit like a curry pot noodle, but it's not a bad thing.
And some people don't seem to be fans. Someone on Reddit said, "Received my first order yesterday, came here to report the same. There is a very strong smell from the unopened meal cups. I put one cup in a backpack to take to work and the bag still smells hours after the cup was consumed. The product is good, but the smell is a major issue." So what's inside these meal cups? Well, the ingredients in Huel Instant Meal Cups vary depending on the flavour, but they include either dried noodles or pasta with a blend of plant-based proteins like pea protein, pulses such as black-eyed beans, brown rice, quinoa and flax seeds. Now let's look at the nutrition. Each cup contains 27 essential vitamins and minerals. They are high in protein, providing 44% of your daily requirements, and provides a good source of fibre, 21% of your daily requirements. These cups are designed to be nutritionally complete and provide 400 calories. They are also free from lactose, animal products and GMOs. But will these rehydrated meals keep you full? Well, I guess this will depend on the individual. Some reviews have said, it feels less like a meal and more like an in-between meal, if that makes sense. How do the cups differ from Huel replacement powder? Well, Huel Instant Meal Cups are sold as on-the-go meal option that comes in a cup format. All you need to do is add some water. On the other hand, Huel meal replacement powder is a powder that needs to be mixed with water or other liquids to make a drink. Like the cups, the powder provides all 27 essential vitamins and minerals. Both are sold as meal replacements, but the main difference is their form. So whether you choose the meal cup or meal replacement powder depends on personal preferences for preparation method and your requirements. Either you want to eat your meal or drink it, the choice is yours. How much do the Huel Instant Meal Cups cost? This can vary depending on when you purchase them. On the official Huel website, you can customize your own bundle, with prices likely varying based on the selection of products. On the Huel website, with the subscribe and save option, the instant meal cups cost $4.95 per serving. How does it compare to Huel replacement powder? Well, the cost of Huel replacement powder costs $2.21 per meal and also provides 400 calories per serving. So it seems that the Huel meal replacement powder may be more cost effective per serving compared to Huel instant meal cups. Now let's dive into the pros and cons. Let's first look at the pros. These cups can be a quick and convenient meal option, ideal for busy schedules or on-the-go situations. And it seems they have thought of everything. They even sell a reusable instant Huel cup, so you can mix your meal before you go so you don't have to go on the search for hot water. The fact that they are also suitable for vegans is a good thing. They are also low in sugar, which can be beneficial for those looking to reduce their sugar intake. And they provide a good number of micronutrients. Check out the long list. Generally, pop noodles are notorious for being high in salt and lack essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals and fibre. But Huel Instant Meal Cups have a lot of vitamins and minerals and are not so high in salt compared to others. For example, Nissin Chicken Cup noodles contain 2.9 grams of salt, which is 51% of your daily value. And Pop Noodle King Chow Mein has 2.2 grams of salt, which is 37%. Whereas Huel Instant Cups contains 1.4 grams, which is only 23% of your daily value. Why is this a good thing? Well, excessive sodium intake can result in water retention, elevated blood pressure, and strain on your cardiovascular system. Also, a sodium-rich diet can contribute to weight gain by promoting fluid retention and causing bloating. So we want to try and reduce our salt intake. The recommended salt intake is no more than 6 grams a day, which is 1 teaspoon. Another pro about the Huel Instant Meal Cups is that they have omega-3 and 6, which aren't usually found in instant noodles. Why are omega-3 and omega-6 good for you? Well, both fatty acids are essential for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Omega-3s are found in fish and flax seeds. They support heart health, brain development, and joint function, while also having anti-inflammatory and mood-regulating effects. But it's important to maintain a balance between omega-3 and omega-6. Why? Well, an imbalance can lead to inflammation. In many Western diets, there is often an overabundance of omega-6 fatty acids compared to omega-3. Both play roles in skin health, eye health, and overall well-being, but it's important to focus on a diet rich in omega-3 sources to counterbalance the often excessive omega-6 intake. Now let's look at the cons. Well, taste could be an issue with these instant meal cups. Some users may find the taste of Huel Instant Meal Cups to be bland or not as enjoyable as freshly prepared meals. The texture of the meals may not suit everyone, with some users finding them grainy or not to their liking. It's a rehydrated meal, so let's be honest, it's not going to match the taste and enjoyment of freshly prepared meals. Seems like this YouTuber agrees.
If I could cook right now, at lunch, in 10 minutes, I absolutely would.
Then there's the cost. Almost $5 seems pretty expensive for this, considering you can get a pot of noodles for around $2. Okay, sure, they're not necessarily going to be a healthier option, but it still fits the bill for convenience purposes. So, should you buy Huel Instant Meal Cups? Well, overall, including Huel Instant Meal Cups in your diet likely won't come with any negative health effects. And they seem to be better than other available pot noodles, but they shouldn't be consumed as a staple in your diet. Occasionally enjoying Huel Instant Meal Cups is fine, as long as you're maintaining an otherwise healthy and well-rounded diet. Choosing whole foods is a better option over highly processed foods, which these instant cups are. I mean, check out the extensive list of ingredients. It's practically a novel. Okay, slight exaggeration. But I would recommend saving your money and choosing whole foods instead, which provide essential nutrients without the potential drawbacks or additives and preservatives found in convenience cups. Opting for simplicity and nourishment can contribute to a healthier overall diet. If you found this video helpful, then hit that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then hit that subscribe button to watch more videos just like this. Catch you on the next one.